Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Akenya ni monanie marakara mao thutha wa security officials gukorwo makiyumiria muthenya umuthi despite government officials gukorwo makirega gukinya at the crime of scene kuria Kware kuria miri iganona ya Akenya ikoretwo ikirutwo dam site ino. Mundurume wa miaka 33 kuratuika niwe responsible for the bodies found in that dam. According to the security officials matogoretio ni DCI boss Mohamed Amin magikorwo makiuga this gentleman wa miaka 33 uretwo Collins Arusha niwe responsible for the 42 bodies maraclaim ni cia women ati iria iragikorirwo igikio dam iyo. Makorwo makiuga ati they got to know about this gentleman who confessed about gukorwo agikia miri iyo in that dam. Makiuga ati he confessed approximately miri 42 ya atimia area aikirie in that dam. Makiuga ati akoretwo agitafania ciiko ici between mwaka wa 2022 and July 11th 2024. Makiuga they are also following up on a lady known as Susan. Makiuga this gentleman was on the process ya kulua this woman to this mutego no rida magikorwo makimudiscover magikorwo makimuikia thine. Makiuga ati he confessed to have killed his own wife and also other women aria aragikorwo agiconfess ati miri yao aragikorwo akimidump in this site. Kenyans have been angered by this discovery ya maafitha aya security fururini. Makiuga ati ni marenda more details kuona matikeiganeire na uthuthuria uyu magikorwo parade. You can see they paraded some SIM cards kana SIM holders cia Airtel and also a laptop and a machete and nylon papers and also cell tapes. Makiuga ati cionekanire thiini wa nyumba ya mwanake uyu kuria Kayole na maragikorwo magika uthuthuria wao. Makiuga ati they also continue to do more investigations ni undu wa ciiko ici ihahurite a Kenya muno. Ni report makorirwo makiruta kuri nyumba cia mohoro kiroko kia umuthi magitariria uhoro wa miri ino igikoretwo ikionekana kuria mukuru kwa Jenga. Ndigutenderithia ndeto ici makiria ndashare toria cia nginyara. Make sure no turn on your notification or subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie in our next one.